from behind.
The superstar with a counter out of nowhere. Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here. Oh, no. Here he comes. Telegraph. The superstar capitalizes.
It's an amazing atmosphere in this arena tonight. And he gets out of the way. And he dodges that one.
It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one. What a series! Nobody's backing down here. And he hits the net breaker.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Knocked into the middle of next week.
And he drives the fist down.
Nice, well-placed kick to the ribs. That was an impressive suplex.
Big-time impact. The quick kick. Scoop slam. Reversal. Reversed by Clark. Elbow to the bridge of the nose. Quick thinking to avoid that. Clark countered it. Great move. Clark into the headlock. Oh, elbow to the nose.
Ooh, did you see the head snap back? Well, he was able to reverse it, get out of that.
That's definitely a tie turn. He gets out of trouble there.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Into the tie-up. Who's going to get the upper hand?
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt.
Clark has the headlock.
An incredible series of moves there. Nobody's budging an inch in this one. Oh, what a smack.
Nice dodge there. Not today. Too fast.
Oh, big elbow. Let's do it.
Clark controlling the waist. Dodges to the side of that one. And the sound of human flesh on the ground echoes around the arena. A bit of a test of strength here.
Bam! Fist drop. Wow! Talk about timing. Nailed with that boot. What a boot.
Great match here. But if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action.
Would you listen to this crowd show their appreciation for these amazing competitors?
These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here in WWE. The unorthodox offense.
I don't know if I'd say that's unorthodox as much as it is innovative.
Struggling for control.
Oh, what an elbow! Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. You're in trouble now.
Got the leg. Oh, what a painful submission. Nicely avoided there.
Oh, wait, nice reversal. Whoa!
And he fights his way out.
Oh, no. Wait a minute. Oh, mama!
Sent flying out of the ring.
Look out! feet to good use. Oh,
Over the top rope.
And a huge collision with the barricade. Careening spine first into the barricade. He's really pouring it on. Got out of the way of that one.
wow, what a sequence.
And he gets back in the ring.
What are you doing? We got a match going on here.
And we're going back between the ropes. Clark. What does Clark need to do here, King?
Listen, he has a speed advantage, so sooner or later he's going to dodge or counter one of those moves, and if that happens, he's right back in it.
He's thrown his opponent out of the ring again.
Big shot by Clark. Oh, what's he got in mind?
Devastating. Just a devastating neck breaker. Narrowly avoids the attack there.
Man, this has been a great matchup.
Clark. Clark makes the cover. And that's a stiff kick.
Oh, this isn't good.
He wasted no time going for that pin.
Clark goes behind.
I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal. He was able to reverse that. Oh, man, what a collision.
He made it to the ropes. Too slow. Clark controlling the head.
Uh-oh, big move coming.
Is completely distracted.
And with his back to the action like this, anything can happen.
Clark from behind. What's he up to here?
Uh-oh.
Look at those eyes.
Oh, and he got dropped.
And this has got to be it.
Oh, gosh. The ref's not going to tolerate much more. Uh-oh, look at this.
Right up, this is it. Here he goes. Look at this. This could be it.
Cover here.
Oh, things have gone from bad to worse for Clark.
And that series ends in deadlock. Neither one of these superstars can afford to give their opponent the upper hand. Oh, the punch connects.
Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. 1, 2. Back in the ring, and the official's got his back to the action again.
Oh, this has got to end.
Clark felt that. What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Drop kick. Right on target.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
Clark's got it.
All those WWE competitors touring this arena apart. Let's take a look back on some of the incredible highlights.